Watch me transform my backseat of my Tesla Model Y from this to this with the Tesstudio R86 rear entertainment screen, the largest rear display offered for the model Tesla Y N3 with an 8.6 HD smart touchscreen. The installation was such a breeze and literally only took us 10 minutes to install. It's powered by Android and comes with so many different applications to choose from and 64GB storage to download games, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It even has a quick access tab to Netflix, YouTube, or TikTok, but my favorite has to be the Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to connect headphones or even your game controllers to play games with ease. In addition to that, you're able to control the airflow, as well as turn off the air if you needed to, and control the heated seats for both the front and rear passengers. And you can also adjust the front seats, play your music, change the song, adjust the volume, and even open the glove box with the touch of a button. So if you're looking for the best rear screen for your Tesla Model 3 or Y and looking to enhance your backseat passengers' riding experience, then you have to grab this Tesstudio R86. The link will be in my bio, and don't forget to use the code for a discount.